Google Analytics 4 is replacing Universal Analytics. On July 1, 2023, all standard Universal Analytics properties will stop processing data. Here are some easy ways, which will help you to move to GA4. Familiarize yourself with GA4. GA4 is a new version of Google Analytics that has advanced features and better tracking capabilities. Take some time to read up on the new features and understand how GA4 differs from the old version. Create a new GA4 property. To get started with GA4, you'll need to create a new property in your Google Analytics account. Follow the instructions and create a new property. Set up data streams. Set up data streams for your website and mobile app, if applicable, to start collecting data. Configure event tracking. GA4 offers enhanced event tracking capabilities. Configure event tracking to capture the events that matter most to your business. Migrate existing data. If you're currently using Google Analytics, you can migrate your existing data to GA4 using the Google Analytics Data Import tool, which will ensure that you can compare your new GA4 data with the old ones. Customize your reports. GA4 offers a new user interface and customizable reports. Focus on the metrics that matter most to your business by taking some time to configure your reports. Test and iterate. Once you are set up for GA4 is done along with the configuration of tracking, test your data to make sure it's accurate. Make adjustments as needed and iterate on your tracking to improve your data quality. With these simple steps, you can start working on your new GA4 and take advantage of its advanced tracking and reporting capabilities. Hope you all found this helpful.